Let's make cracker salad. It's summertime. We are in the midst of kids going to camp, swim meets, camping, travels. This is the perfect recipe to take on the go. You're gonna want this recipe, trust me. Here, I'm using a neutral canola, vegetable, corn. To the oil, we're adding 2 envelopes ranch dressing, 2 tablespoons dill weed, a half tablespoon red pepper flakes. Whisk. Love this recipe because you don't have to bake anything. Grab the biggest bowl you've got. This makes a huge batch. The great news is you can freeze it. Itty bitty mini pretzels, whole bag in. All these are. Mini crackers, saltines. 2 boxes of Cheez-its. Peanuts, you can leave this out. Add this dressing with a little mix. Things may have settled just a tiny bit.